Hi everyone, Karen from ediblewildfood.com here, and today's video is very short. I'm sure as many of you have heard from other foragers, always be careful when you are out there looking for plants and to be sure that you have proper identification. It's mission critical because sometimes the plants that we are foraging grow intertwined with the other plants that we really don't want. And the same can be said for when we're growing our own gardens. Very important. Here is a little lettuce box that I've been growing. And right there is the Virginia copperleaf, or the Virginia three-seed Mercury. There's another one there. And another one there. And the reason why I'm pointing this out is that there's absolutely nothing out there that says this is safe to consume. In fact, the opposite. Now, according to Henrietta's Herbal website, which is a really good website, she reports that there have been some claims that this plant is an expectorant and a diuretic. But again, she's not making that claim. She's just saying that from what she's read. Regardless, the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, I think I've got that right, Ethnopharmacology, says that this species has reported as being a diuretic, but also an irritant. So not good. And according to the North Carolina Extension Gardener Plant Toolbox, ingesting the sap or the juice of this plant can cause vomiting, diarrhea, or dermatitis. We don't want that. So regardless, if you're out there foraging, or if you're even just growing plants in your garden, as I mentioned, this is a lettuce box. How easy would it be for me to accidentally pick this Virginia copperleaf and add it to my salad? I don't want to. I need to be very careful. But I will take the sorrel, and I will take the chickweed. But please, always be careful.